Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V15. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V15 is losing power suddenly, you are not alone. This issue can arise due to a failing motor, which may cause your vacuum cleaner to operate intermittently or lose suction altogether. If left unaddressed, this can lead to further damage to your device and affect its overall performance. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement motor compatible with the Dyson V15, and a pair of tweezers. Begin by ensuring your Dyson V15 is turned off and disconnected from any power source. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the main body of the vacuum. Take care while doing this, as the screws can be quite tight. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the casing to access the internal components. The motor is usually located at the base of the unit. You can identify it by the wires leading to it, which are typically connected to the main circuit board. Carefully disconnect these wires, taking note of their positions for reassembly later. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the wires disconnected, you can now remove the old motor by unscrewing any additional screws that may be holding it in place. Once you have removed the motor, take your new replacement motor and securely position it in the same spot. Reattach any screws to ensure it is firmly held in place. Next, reconnect the wires, making sure they are attached to the correct terminals as noted earlier. After everything is connected, carefully align the casing back together and reinsert the screws to secure it. Make sure there are no loose parts and everything is tightly closed. Finally, plug your Dyson V15 back into the power source and test it to ensure it's functioning correctly. If it runs smoothly and maintains power, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly clean the filters and empty the dust container to avoid strain on the motor. Regular maintenance can significantly extend the life of your Dyson V15. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.